is wisdom painting? Wisdom painting is a painting process that was developed by me out of my own painting process back in 1992. After I worked the Artist's Way book, I came to realize I had to paint. I bought a sheet of Masonite from Home Depot, a bunch of house paints, and had at it, and just had a blast. I mean, I went through all kinds of emotions. I knew I had to share that with other people because it would be really a cathartic and healing experience for other people as it was for me. So when we do wisdom painting, it's really just about the process. It is not about fine art, creating a masterpiece. It is just strictly a self-discovery process. And as a result, usually you'll love your painting. Okay, so this is Mary Gravel. Ask me about wisdom painting and what I can offer you today.